Welcome to Team EPT Clean Oil's Draft Special. Let's meet this week's scouting expert.
The draft is upon us. Does your team have all the info they need to make the selection that will shape the future of your organization? EPT Clean Oil's ACE Scouting Department does. And we're here to help you by turning oil analysis victories into data-driven lubricant chemistry management championships. Our ACE scouting process is analytical, it's comprehensive, and it's a proven tool to evaluate the condition of your lubricant. Once we've identified any on-the-field issues that impacted your oil last season, our ACE scouting department uses advanced bench scale processes to provide a future forward view of what your roster needs to reach the pinnacle of lubricant chemistry management next season. The draft is the most important event of the off-season, and it can shape the future of your organization. Don't go into the draft blind. Trust EPT Clean Oil's ACE Scouting Department to highlight the solutions that will take your team's maintenance game to that next level.